Welcome to Dale Frazier Photography. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sharing with you how much money we made on YouTube right after we got monetized. So let's get to the video. If you're new to that, all right, sorry about that, guys. If you're new to that, oh my goodness. Oh, sheesh. Bloopers and blunders. We'll have to make a video on that. Sorry about that.
Would you like me to stop?
Oh my goodness. All right. Okay, sorry about that. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dale and I'll be your host here on our channel. You may be asking yourself, hey Dale, you've only got less than 150 subscribers. Yes, that is true, but here's what I'm going to tell you. I started my first YouTube channel 8 years ago, pretty much 8 years ago to date. It would have been in the summertime, so we're actually a couple of months past the 8-year mark. Back when I first got monetized, 8 years ago, you had to have 300 subscribers and there was no watch time. If you got your 300 subscribers, you could apply to be in what is now called the YouTube Partnership Program. And I know it's going to be a little bit different, but we've got another channel that we've recently monetized and it falls under the new criteria. The new criteria with YouTube to become monetized, first of all, if you don't know, we'll just break it down real quick. You need to have 1,000 subscribers. With your 1,000 subscribers, you also have to have 4,000 watch hours to become eligible to apply to become a YouTube Partnership Program partner. And after that, that's when you start getting monetized. You may be asking yourself right now, hey, how do you get paid on YouTube? That's an excellent question and we'll cover that real quickly. When somebody clicks on your video, generally there's going to be a commercial that comes on right before your video plays. If they skip that before your video plays for 30 seconds, you get nothing. If your video's long enough, and let's just say between that 5 and 10 minute mark, they might place an ad in the middle and or you could actually place the ad in the middle. Again, if that video's got to play for 30 seconds, my first year that I was monetized on my dual sport channel, I think I might have made $200 that year. And secondary to that, my other channel, which is kind of an outdoor channel, it's monetized as well, and I'm averaging basically $100 a year. And you might be saying to yourself, holy smokes, that's not very much money for all the effort. Yeah, you're right. You can't even go buy a GoPro, much less 2 GoPros for any kind of dual camera action stuff if you're only making $200 or $300 a year. Guys, there's hope, and here's one of the things that I want to express to you when I say this. I've got, let's just say 7 years, and we'll use that because I like the number 7. I think it's a magical number. And we're going to use that 7 years of experience on 7 years of failures and why we haven't made much money on YouTube. If there's one thing that you can learn about anybody, and that's, let's just take the guy that makes the Swiss Army knife. Not the Swiss Army knife. Let's just take the guy who made the Leatherman, for example. I've watched a documentary on him and he went years and years and years, guys, making different multi-tools, if you will, before he ever really got successful with the Leatherman. And that's what I'm going to be able to offer you guys. Guys, I've got 7 years of pretty much failed attempts. And we are just now starting this playlist. I figure if you've come over here and clicked on this video, you're wanting to learn how you could potentially make money on YouTube. And I'm here to tell you that's my plan with this new playlist. We're going to talk about YouTube, how you can grow your channel, things to think about, and mistakes that I've made along the way so that maybe it can not only save you time and save you money, but I'm going to get you in the right direction to where you can get monetized. We'll keep an eye on this channel as well, but over the last 3 years, I've done several experiments in the background, behind the scenes, trying to come up with a good, solid solution. No, I don't have a course for sale. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. This is coming from a guy who has worked hard, put in lots of hours, thousands of hours editing videos and doing things, and I want to share that stuff with you guys for free, and I think together we can all learn together. One thing that I did when I first started my first channel, the Dual Sport channel, number one, I had no idea you could even make money on YouTube. I wasn't motivated by making money on YouTube. However, the things that I did make, and I think you can actually measure a lot of success on this as well, is there was several things that happened since I created that channel that were blessings to me, and I had no idea what they were. So again, guys, if this is something that sounds good to you, I'd love to talk you into subscribing. And until next week's video comes out, be sure to check out one of our other playlists. If you're new to cameras and you like cameras and that kind of stuff, we've got playlists over here teaching you how to use your cameras. And again, when I started this channel, Dale Frazier Photography, I had no intentions of trying to make money with this. I'm not trying to backdoor sales or anything like that. Obviously, this channel's not sponsored, but however, what it is, it's made up of a guy with a genuine heart for trying to help others. And together, I know that we can help you succeed with your YouTube channel, just using my failures, if nothing else. So again, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. May you have a blessed week, and let's go shoot some stuff.